Let's get ready for some fun with our marble maze. To get started, you want to have a cereal box. You're going to grab some scissors and we're just going to start cutting that front panel right off. Once you've gone all the way around, go ahead and throw that piece away. We aren't going to need it. Next, we're going to close that end that used to be the top. Now we're going to get started building. Grab a Sharpie and we're going to write an S where our maze is going to start. Now we're going to start with our first straw and we are building our maze. You're going to tape down each of these straws, making a path for the marble to go down. As you're adding the straws, don't be afraid to cut pieces so they fit just the way you want to. And be creative. It's always great to have more than one way that the marble can go. One way should lead to a trap, as we call it, or a dead end. The other way should be the right path. As you get closer to the end of your maze and you know where you want it to finish, grab your Sharpie and write an F for finish. That way you can make sure that your maze goes right to that finish line. If you have bendy straws, it's great for making turns. Once your maze is complete, you're ready to have some fun. Grab a small marble. You don't want it to be too big because then it can make it over the straws. Get your friends and family involved and see if they can do it. We also like to have timed races to see who can finish it the fastest. Enjoy your maze, and don't forget to visit us at supersciencesquad.info. Oh, and subscribe to our channel for more activities and projects.